Hi everyone, my name is Farah. I am from George Health Center, earlyON staff, and today I am going to show you a science activity for the kids. My first video was for the parents. It was about regrowing green onion, but this is more for the children and it's a fun activity. So let me show you what you need for this activity. Very simple and fun activity, especially for this kind of weather. It's a planting season and you can have kids do this activity with a little bit of your help, and the end result is really amazing and kids will enjoy it. So here is a final product of the grass head that I did 2.5 weeks ago, and you can see how much grass has grown on his head. And there's another one that I did in a simple plastic cup, which is really easy. And what you can do is just have a picture of your child and cut it, or from the magazine, tape it up to the head, and then the grass will show like it's a head, the hair is growing on his head or her head. So let me show you with this activity. So here is a stocking that you can get it from a dollar store, and if not, your mom might have it, and if there's any holes, that's fine too. So what you need to do is to get your child to help you, I like to put it over a cup because it's easy. So you just put it over a cup and stretch it until you see the toe part of the stocking, and here is the you can see the toe. And what you need is to put a tablespoon first and a little bit more in the middle of the stocking, and then you can roll it a little bit inward and spread it out for soil to go in. So here I'm doing like this, so it's getting deeper. And then now I'm going to use my hand to put some soil over the seed. So here's my soil going over the seed, and so I will put enough soil to create a head or a little ball for the head. So here you can push it in to make it full, and it's up to you how much you want to put. I'm going to show you to form a little head, and you can press it. You can have your children put the soil over the head and let them use their hand to the nature and have a feeling how the soil feel, and then you can just roll it out and it should look like this. So here is the potato head, and you can just make it a little bit tight and make it a little bit ball looking, and you can see the grass seeds are all over the head. And now if you want, I'm going to put a little bit more maybe, because I need a little bit more soil in the head. So I'm putting some more, and here's some more. So we have a nice ball shape, or a head shape I should say. And then you have to make a knot just like so, and here is your head. So you can spread it, you can form it like this, and what you need is you can put this in a cup. So this part will go in a cup because the cup is a little bit deep, so I'm going to place some pebbles or rocks in the cup, and so it stands like this. And I have this rubber band that I just brought it for this activity, and you can take one out, and if you like to make a nose, you can make a nose with this rubber band. So you have to pinch a little bit and put it like this, and this is like a nose. And now you can have your child to put some eyes. So I can use my finger, put some glue here, put some glue over here, and here is the eyes. And for the mouth, if you like, you can put some glue over here where the mouth goes, and your child can do this. And then you can cut a piece of felt or a piece of red paper, construction paper, anything you want, or a pom-pom, and make a face like this. So that's how it should look like. And what you need to do is, now all you need is to put a little bit of water here in a cup, so the bottom part of the sock or stocking can go inside the cup, and you leave it in a cup like this, and then you just let your child spray it on the head like this and soak it good, and then leave it, or you can put it outside on the table and then wait and watch it grows. And in few days you will see the grass will started to grow like this, and kids will be amazed to see this. And then you can expand this activity furthermore, which is a really fun expansion. So when the grass is grown like this, you can have your cut it with the scissor every week, and you can sing a song. This is the way I cut the hair, cut my hair, cut my hair. This is the way I cut my hair all day long. So you got the idea. And same way, this is very easy. This is just filling up the soil in a cup like this, and just put some grass seed over, sprinkle them all around like this, a little bit more soil, and soon in few days you'll see the grass is growing. And what you can do is, if you have a picture of your child, if you like any extra picture, or you can cut it up from the magazine and let them tape it here, and you'll see grass. It will look like the grass is growing on the head. And then same thing again, kids can do cutting just like this every week when it grows, and it's really fun for the kids to do this activity. And furthermore, the expansion would be a salon, and kids can put some clips for the grass head, and it is going to be really fun for the kids to use it as a barber shop or salon. They can put some rubber band to make a little ponytail if they want, like this. And every week they can water the grass head and the other head. Yes, so here is the activity for kids for spring season. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.